Today the high of the day 111.74 was in fact done during a night session in Europe. I got up this morning and I saw the high was done. The market went up from 111.20, 121, not a place I understand. I prefer to buy 111.03. And from that 111.20 the market retests the high of 111.74 and went a bit higher to 111.77. Our algorithm is not designed to find a retest level. We have to hit the market when it reaches its turning point. And we always enter in the first occurrence of the level, so it was difficult to find an entry at 11.74 because for our system it was already done. So when the market came back to retest the level, the binary could have been placed at 111.70 or 111.65. It was very difficult. Much easier to play that level was with the Forex, by example with a sell order 111.72, a first take profit of 20 pips at 11.52, which has been covered now, is trading 111.50, would have made 20 pips gain, and that is what you have remaining risk. You still in the market with a stop at 11.92, so the first take profit, let's say with 50% of your position goes out, you made 20 pips and you have 20 pips risk left with a stop at 11.92. So you have no more risk. You can wait that the market goes towards the 111 level where we want to buy with the binaries to close the position and take a nice 70-60 pip profit. For the binaries, once again, that's what I have done, but it's not it has a risk that I cannot factor. I understand what I'm doing when I pick up extreme. When you play the retest, I placed 2 orders there, it worked for me, but I didn't know how long it's going to go down and if it's not going to go against it. It is not like when I pick up a clean turn like Friday 110.89, it touch it, moves up. When it comes to retest it, we don't care. It's not the same than playing the same level all the time. That's not the way the system is made, and I just want to say I'm not hiding anything from you. I didn't take a trade behind your back, actually protect you, because it could have very well not worked. So first buy target 111.03 or second buy target 110.68. Coming from 111.74, the market has the potential to go as low as 110.68 today. Our third and last target, and strongest also, it's 110.33. On the upside, there is a resistance on the weekly around 112.40.50. The market could go today if above 111.74.87 to 112.20, 112.50. 112.50 would be our first sell spot today. Take a look at the weekly RSI bar chart. It shows a very nice support last week. If we want to keep on the same uptrend, we should not go lower than 1.11 today. 108.87 is a major support. I think if it's touching 108.77, it will actually go down and break it a little bit lower to 108.30. That would be a great buy spot this week. But the daily RSI says otherwise. The daily RSI prefer 109.60. 109.60 is fine on the daily RSI. That would be a great place, especially if is in conjunction with the high of the week go to 112.40. If the market goes to 112.40 this week, it has the potential to go as low as 109.60. Before 109.60 we have the target 110.30. So now let's see what it will do first. If coming back up and breaking the 11.74.87, first place we sell it's 112.53. If going down from this 11.74, market has the potential to go as low as 110.60. 110.60 will be our first strong target. 111.03 is good for a bounce with the binary, but I would place Forex order on 110.60. Otherwise, you have here to work with a big stop of 50 pips. We are working on an algorithm that will define intraday RSI bar chart. It's something I wait for months, really. It is now being tested, and I think we have a fair chance to be able to use it in about 10 days. That algorithm will allow us to choose between very close targets such as 1068, 1060, choose one or do both.